Hi YouTube, my name is Nathan. I just want to show you guys my BMW M3, which I own for about 2 years now. The car is from 1989. And it is the 250 horsepower edition. It has about 157 kilometers. It's the original cotton interior. That's the original sunroof, and also an option which you don't see every day. It's the rear windows can be opened. And I changed this gear knob. It was an aftermarket one. Changed it for an original one, including lights. So in the evening these lights light up. Really nice. Cleaned it yesterday, really good. And the way I get in touch with the BMW M3 is I was on a holiday in the Canarias, which are some islands in Spain, and I was walking there and a BMW M3 was passing me by. And from that moment I went to search for a BMW M3, and about a year later I found one in Gran Canaria, which is a small island on the west coast of Africa. And I decided to buy it and to bring it to Holland. These are the test bremse light, a brake light. So when I touch the brake, it should go off, and it does. The engine has been rebuilt. And I changed a lot of parts. The gaskets between the inlet manifold and the exit manifold. These are rubber blocks. You should change them every 10 years, they say. I was not sure about how long it has been, so we changed them. We also changed the starter motor because it was not original, and the radiator. And I was having some problems with the temperature gauge, because right here you got the thermostat housing, and something inside, maybe the thermostat was not working really good. So my gauge was going from warm to cold all the time. So after changing the thermostat housing, it was fine. The gauge was just giving the right temperature. And what I also did is underneath here, underneath this water pipe, there's the chain tensioner for the distribution. Originally it is with a spring inside, but when I read the forum, many people were complaining about the the way tension, so we changed it for a one from the BMW e36 M3, and right now it's has no problems with the tension. It's an old car, you can hear it from the way the doors open. So I just want to show you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, just please feel free to contact me. I will have a BMW M3 e36 within a few weeks. Also making this video about I'm a BMW enthusiast. So this is the way the car looks. A detailed walk. See you soon, guys. Bye.